now is hammering in this drip edge. Can you see it okay? There were no instructions anywhere on how to put this on, so we just kind of guessed. And we'll show you on the other side. What happened is we had the cruiser completely sanded down and all the trim came off and stripped it. And this was one of the pieces that kind of shattered or came apart when we pulled it off. So I'm gonna go grab the other side and I'll meet you on the other side of the truck. This is the trim pieces for the drip edge around the rain gutter. Like I said, we had the cruiser stripped and painted and all the trim came off, and these just kind of crumbled when they pulled them off. I ordered this directly from the Toyota store. I know there's a lot of aftermarket parts out there, but these things were like, I want to say, not too expensive, less than $100 for the pair. That's worth it to get a brand new one. Once we get done with this, we're going to put the front runner rack on. I know there's a lot of videos out there about putting on the front runner rack, but so I'm not going to film that. But I will film the part about actually mounting it to the cruiser. We mentioned this in our intro video, but we're working on a 1997 Toyota Land Cruiser FZJ80, which is my 40th anniversary edition. I bought it in 2004 with 50,000 miles on it, so kind of my baby. This is my fourth 80. Come around here and I'll show you where we're putting this. This the rain gutter without the trim piece on it, and what we did is we just started right here on the corner and just kind of hammered it in. It's kind of a hard job to do by yourself just to keep it mounted up there, but it kind of slides in tight right there, and then tap it with the hammer, which I put down somewhere. Right there. Ta-da! So I kind of put it right against the edge, tight, and then tap it with my rubber mallet, and it fits pretty good. I'm starting from top to bottom, so it's kind of twisting on. I'm putting the top edge over the lip first, and then tapping the bottom down. Again, I couldn't find any YouTube videos or instructions anywhere online, so we kind of winged it. Make sure we're all the way in right there. This is just my standard tent stake hammer. It's kind of tight over here, but we're in Florida, and it's June the 16th, so it's pretty warm outside, so any cover we can get is welcome. I needed this on here, but it does look more finished with it. So I'm glad that I decided to go ahead and order it. We also ordered all new felt for the bottom of the windows from the factory, local Toyota dealership, Alan J. Toyota. We were not able to find some matching parts, but we'll cover that in another video. Color is a really hard problem with these. Gets a little tight as you get to the bottom, and then it gets kind of flush with the car. I guess to keep the rain from getting in there. My 91 Cruiser, where this ended, had a tube that went inside this rail and then flowed out to the bottom. That came loose one time and used to fill the bottom of the truck up with water. So maybe this helps. I don't remember it having this trim piece. Just pull this lip out right here so that it's flush. There. That. Very happy with that. So, if you need a new trim piece, call your local Toyota store. I'm sure you can find it. If you're interested in our Toyota store, hit me up in the messages or send me a private message and I'll let you know. Mike Meister, he's been able to find stuff for my truck at the Alan J. Toyota, a full carpet set, original factory carpet set, all the way up to the plastic trim pieces that fit around the inside of the sunroof. So he's been extraordinarily helpful. And really, when you come from the factory, the parts aren't that expensive. All right, let's go. We're gonna pause. This video is over. That's our installation of the drip edge trim. Thank you very much. We're going to move on to the front rubber rack.